We're going to study, and we're going to be looking at the life of Prophet Hosea. We're going to be reading Hosea chapter 1 down to chapter 3. Hallelujah. This is a very powerful Bible passage that many people don't really study or take into it the context at which it is. So we can see Hosea was a prophet sent by God to the northern part of Israel during the time of spiritual corruption, where the children of Israel were corrupted. At that time, prostitution, all manner, brothers sleep with brothers. Do you understand me? It was a normal thing. They were just living life anyhow. Israel was, prosperous outwardly. You could see prosperity. They had silver, they had gold, they have wool, they have fine linen of clothing. Do you understand me? Outwardly, Israel was prosperous. They were rich, but inwardly, they were what? Spiritual adulterers. What God was saying here was that God looked at Prophet Hosea and said to Prophet Hosea, I want to teach the children of Israelites something, and what I want to teach them, this is what I want you to do first. Go and marry a prostitute. God said to Prophet Hosea, go and marry a prostitute. And that prostitute Hosea went to marry. Her name is what? Gomer. And they had 3 children. So every time Gomer becomes pregnant for Hosea, she will go back to prostitution, go and do prostitution again. Hosea will come and go and pay money, beg the people, because at that time you take yourself to those places, you become a slave. You become their own. What God was trying to do there was that God was trying to let the children of Israel know that his relationship with them is a covenant, just like marriage. Are you getting my point? His relationship with them was a covenant, just like marriage. So every time the children of Israel go to do all these adulterous things, worship other God, worship the God of Baal, commit all this manner of things, what they were doing to God was they were doing what? They were committing adultery before God. Are you following me now? They were committing spiritual adultery, and God was not happy.